guys, welcome back. Did you have fun making Spyro the Dragon? Well, right now we are going to make Sparx the Dragonfly. Without further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. First, let's go over the things we need. I recommend you get these awesome magnetic tools. And here are the clay colors you will need. You will need yellow, orange, white, blue, purple, and this is optional, glitter white. First, we're going to make the head. For the head, grab yellow clay and you want to make a ball. You don't need to do these markings I did. These are just to help me measure stuff. Then grab more yellow clay and you want to do a tiny rectangle. Now you can connect it to the back of the head. For the tail, grab yellow clay and you want to roll out a strip. Then you can connect it to the back. Now we're going to make the legs. For the legs, you want to do this pattern. Grab orange clay, you want to make a tiny ball. Grab yellow clay and make a tiny tube. Grab orange clay and make another tiny ball. Grab yellow clay and make a cone and connect it to the ball. Grab orange clay, you want to make a flat circle and connect it to the bottom of the cone. Then grab blue clay, make 2 triangles and connect them like this. You should do 4 of them and they should all look like this. For the mouth, grab white clay, make a half circle, and then you can put it under the head. Then grab yellow clay, you want to flatten out a line, and you can put it under the mouth. For the eyes, grab white clay, make 2 balls, and you can put them here. Then grab purple clay, make 2 smaller balls, and you can flatten them and put them on the eye like this. For the wings, grab white clay or glitter white, your option. You want to do 2 strips, you want to flatten them, and then you can put them on the back like this. Then connect the legs together and you are done. Let's see the final result. And that was a tutorial on how to make Sparx. Until then, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace, artsy!